Cardiac arrest, when the heart suddenly stops beating, can happen to anyone at any age. Using an automated external defibrillator, commonly called an AED, within the first 3 minutes can double or triple a person's chance of survival. AEDs are easy to use. You don't have to be a medical professional to operate one. If a person has no pulse and isn't breathing or responding, call 911 or direct someone else to. Then start chest compressions right away while another bystander gets the AED. In many public places, AEDs are mounted to the walls in high-traffic areas, hallways, near elevators, and in lobbies. Next, open the AED case and turn it on. Follow the step-by-step voice prompts. Remove any clothing, jewelry, or patches from the person's chest. Apply one pad to the upper right chest area and the other pad to the left side as pictured. The AED will analyze the heart rhythm and advise you on next steps. If the AED recommends delivering a shock, make sure no one, including you, is touching the person. Then push the illuminated or flashing shock button. You may see the person jolt. If the person shows no sign of responsiveness after the shock, do 2 more minutes of chest compressions. If the AED advises no shock, resume chest compressions. The AED will continue to give you instructions on what to do next. When help arrives, an emergency responder will take over. Be ready to help them by answering their questions. In an emergency, minutes matter, and the most basic education can save lives and improve outcomes in our community.